I mean, this is why I hate old Firecracker. He starts off with a decent push. You know, 2 hits, he deserves it though, but here, I'm obviously going to counter-attack and get some good damage. Because he overspent, like, what does he expect? Like, yeah, you can have 2 hits, but I'm just going to take basically your entire tower, buddy. Good defense, and he's getting no damage again. And his log kills my firecracker when it shouldn't, so that's cool. His thing just doesn't want to go to my cage, so that's cool. He doesn't deserve any of this damage. He shouldn't be on 1k, like, who the fuck is this guy? This guy's literally a half-wit. He's, like, so dumb, he just lets my goblin brawler take his tower. Is this guy more retarded than, like, I don't even know. He's so stupid. He gives me a king to activation, and then I just, like, destroy him again. He decides he's going to use Earthquake, which is just, like, one of the greatest inventions of all time. Like, who would even think of that? And I just get even more damage, and he's just not doing anything. Like, get out, you're gay.